Hello Year 11, I'm just going to give you a little bit of advice on how you might prepare for your exams that are going to be taking place over the next few weeks. You're going to be doing a full set of papers, so that'll be 3 papers, the first of which is a non-calculator paper that's taking place next Wednesday. The other 2 will be calculator papers, so please remember to bring your calculators in for those exams. You may well need compasses, protractors, make sure you've got plenty of pens, pencils and a ruler with you, and you should be well set up for the exam. The best way to prepare for a maths exam is to actually do some maths questions, and the best way to do that is to do some practice papers. We've put some practice papers for you on Google Classroom. The mark schemes are there for you as well when you need to check them. Make sure you work through the papers and do as many of the questions as you can. Try and work through one paper and focus on that and get it marked before you move on to your next paper that you're going to try. You might want to save some papers to do under time conditions, but just try and do as many questions as you can at the moment and check your answers. You can always ask for some help from your teachers if you need to. Another really good resource that you can use is the Pixel Maths app. We've been using this since about March in Year 10, and it's something that I would highly recommend that you have a look at if you've not been using it very much so far. It's got lots of questions. You can pick the topics that you have a look at, and if you get stuck on a question, you will have help videos and PowerPoints to look at should you need them. If you need to just remind yourself of how to log on to the Pixel Maths app, then the details are at the bottom of the screen now. So 2 really good resources for revision: the Pixel Maths app, little and often, so 10-15 minutes to spare. Get your phones out and have a go at that and answer a few questions. When you've got a little bit more time to spend on revision, the practice papers are the things that you should be focusing on. A lot of you have got yourselves a revision guide. You can see here the revision guide and workbooks that we recommended from school. So think about the topics that you want to revise and look in the revision guide to check your understanding, and then try out some questions in the workbook to make sure that you've fully understood the things that you need to. I hope this has been helpful. Good luck, and I hope the exams go well.